You should expect to get a minimum work of US $1,500 per month, and you can earn up to $75 to $225 per day. You can earn up to $27 to $108 or more per day, and you should expect to get a minimum work of US $675 per month for this second job. You can earn up to $10.50 to $37.50 or more per hour as your skills and experience grow, so will your bank account balance. Over here on the screen, I've got what you call a list of names, or a name project. The payout is $20 and there's a name count of 32. All we have to do is type out these names. Just like that. And you can get paid between $30 to $40 per hour, or between $70 and $220 per day doing name transcripts like this. It's super easy. You don't need any fancy skills. You just need a keyboard. You don't need any writing degrees or anything like that, and you can make money online with this. If you want to learn how to replicate this and make this kind of money online, stay tuned. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach that is documenting my journey over here on my YouTube channel on how to make money online. Off of YouTube, I do a full-time business model called drop servicing, where I sell rare high-income skills and services all around the world. My YouTube is a side hustle where I post and teach free content on YouTube to whoever would like to watch my content. You should expect to get a minimum work of US $1,500 per month, and you can earn up to $75 to $225 per day. You can earn up to $27 to $108 or more per day, and you should expect to get a minimum work of US $675 per month for this second job. You can earn up to $10.50 to $37.50 or more per hour as your skills and experience grow, so will your bank account balance. Over here on the screen, I've got what you call a list of names, or a name project. The payout is $20 and there's a name count of 32. All we have to do is type out these names. Just like that. And you can get paid between $30 to $40 per hour, or between $70 and $220 per day doing name transcripts like this. It's super easy. You don't need any fancy skills. You just need a keyboard. You don't need any writing degrees or anything like that, and you can make money online with this. If you want to learn how to replicate this and make this kind of money online, stay tuned. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach that is documenting my journey over here on my YouTube channel on how to make money online. Off of YouTube, I do a full-time business model called drop servicing, where I sell rare high-income skills and services all around the world. My YouTube is a side hustle where I post and teach free content on YouTube to whoever would like to watch my content or finds value from it. But if you'd like to find out more about what I do full-time off of YouTube, you can come over to the link in the description. It will take you to a page like this, which will show you how I reached my first 6 figures in 2020 drop servicing services all around the world. I've got a 7-minute free training over here explaining what's in this course, all my results, and exactly how you can get started with one-on-one mentoring with me. So click on the first link in the description and I'll see you over here. But if you want to get tons of free daily videos and content on how I make money online, also set goals, do some motivation, please comment down below if there's any comment idea that you would like to see. One thing I've thought about starting on my channel recently is trading and investing into forex markets, as I've been doing quite a bit of trading recently and I've been generating some good profits. So I thought, why not document my journey on my YouTube channel as well? So comment down below if you'd like to see that content. I'd really love to see your opinion, and make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a personal notification every time I upload an epic video just like this one. And make sure to leave a like. It really pumps me up to see your positivity and all the comments in this video. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into my PC and smash it. So over here on my screen, you can see 33 names that I've added. I've added one, there was 32, but obviously I typed this one in the intro just to show you. Now, what we need to do is we need to go and copy and retype these names out, and we can make money doing so. But there's 1 or 2 steps in between that we need to put together before it's just a matter of copy and paste. There's 1 or 2 things that I need to explain to you, so make sure to keep watching so that you don't miss that and can maximize your earnings from this. Over here is a brand new website that I've not talked about on my channel before. Over here, if you scroll down, I'm going to reveal this website in a bit, make sure to keep watching. You can explore different jobs, you can get hired and get paid, you can start work and get paid for that and collect your earnings. So you can choose a payment method from PayPal to wire transfer and many more, such as Bitcoin. So this website does pay direct to bank no matter where you are in the world. Worldwide popular jobs for you that is available right now. Online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging jobs, language transcription jobs, medical transcription jobs, affiliate marketing jobs, online teaching jobs, online typing jobs, which is the one we're going to be using to earn up to $45 to $90 per day. Super easy, just copying and pasting names to make $90 a day is absolutely crazy. There's not many websites that can offer this kind of pay. Whether you're looking for a break from your 9-to-5 job, unable to commute to work, or at a stay-at-home parent, or have some other constraint that prevents you from finding a full-time job, there's no need to waste your earning potential. Do you have the passion to excel, urge to be creative, and never-ending thirst for knowledge and desire to grow? Then Talent Desire, this website is the right place for you because they focus on growth through work-from-home job opportunities. So not only you're growing as a person, learning skills, developing high-income skills, you're also earning at the same time while doing all of this. So it's a win-win for you. Let's take a look at more of the name typing jobs and how we can get paid and what we're going to get paid for typing these different names. Over here, we offer to pay, you can earn up to $13,500 or $27,000 per year as your skills and experience grow. Guaranteed work, so you should expect to get the minimum work of $1,125 per month. Online jobs, you can work worldwide, part-time and full-time from home. You only need a quiet place for your freelance work. Take a look at some of the payout rates. As a beginner, you will get paid up to $3 when you type 300 words in a page. Intermediate, you will get paid $3.60 per 300 words. Now, 300 words is only about a quarter of a page. It's literally a paragraph and a bit. It's still a lot of money for such a few words. As a professional, you'll get $4.50 per 300 words and up to $6 when you type 300 words in a page as an expert. This is how your daily earnings are calculated. As a beginner, 15 pages a day, 6 hours of work a day, you will get $45 a day. If I go and take 45 multiplied by 30, multiplied by 12, that is $16,200 a year as a minimum working as a beginner typer on this website. Let's take the maximum of an expert. So let's take $90 times 30 multiplied by 12, that is $32,400 a year as an expert, which is double your money. And registration is absolutely free. There is no hidden cost before or after joining, and we didn't ask about any investment to you on any stage, so it's completely free to do. Over here, you can get a demo work as well, just to have a look at what you need to do to meet the requirements and actually get into this project. Over here, once you're ready, you can click on apply now. Over here, you just might get an ad or two, just block that ad or close it. And over here, if you scroll down, you can select an application form by clicking on this page, downloading it and filling it out. Now, if you want to get accepted into all of these jobs at a full-time rate as an expert immediately, I recommend come over to a website called ratatype.com. So this is a website where you can take a typing test to test how many words you can successfully type in a certain amount of time. Now, when you reach a certain criteria, you will get a certificate for that, and you can actually submit your certificate from Ratatype with Talent Desire, which is this website over here we are applying on, and the chances of them approving you is literally times 100. So in order to get started on Ratatype, click on Start Typing Now, find out how many words in a minute can you type. So I'm going to do that and see what I get. Over here, I got 69 words per minute. You type faster than 80% of users, but you can do better. Ratatype's lessons can help you improve your training speed. These are the lessons that I recommend you take. Click on Improve Trying Your Speed, sign up with Google. From there, you will get a certificate on the screen that you can go and print or save as a PDF format. You want to come back to the application website of Talent Desire and select an application form over here. Click on the online application form because you want to submit it online. The offline application form is something that you need to print out and fill in with pen. Over here is what the application form looks like.